Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you turn off location on Bereal app. So at first, make sure that you already have an account in Bereal app. Now just go to the Bereal app. Now select this option, take your Bereal. After selecting this option, just take your Bereal. Now just after taking a Bereal, here you can see my friends option, and in the side of the my friends option the location is shown. Click on here, and after clicking here, here you can see the first option here is location off. Click on it, and by clicking it your location won't be shared with your friends or any persons. Now just click on the bottom send option. So guys, that's how you can share Bereal without sharing location. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.